Hmm? What? Oh, hi! So, my name is Sean Jody Fernandez, and I am here to talk about healthy eating. So, why is eating healthy important? Eating healthy is important because it is the best way to take care of our body and minds. Eating healthy affects our mood, energy, and overall health. So, in this vlog, I am going to talk about the foods I eat throughout the day and how they are healthy and important. So, without further ado, let's get right into it. Eating a banana and peanuts together make a simple yet healthy meal. The banana provides natural sugar for quick energy, along with potassium and fiber that help maintain strong muscles and good digestion. The peanuts, on the other hand, add protein and healthy fats that keep you full and support heart health. When combined, the banana and peanuts give a great balance of carbohydrates, protein, and good fats, making them a perfect pair for a healthy and energizing start of the day. Munggo is a nutritious and filling dish. It is rich in protein, which help repair and build body tissues, and high in fiber that supports digestion and keeps you satisfied longer. It also contains iron, which improve blood circulation, and various vitamins and minerals that boost the immune system. Munggo provides steady energy, and it is a great healthy option for lunch. Unfortunately, I don't have a video because the video got corrupted. Meat with rice is a balanced and satisfying meal that combines protein and carbohydrates. The meat is a good source of high-quality protein and B vitamins, which help the body repair tissues and produce energy. It also contains iron and zinc that strengthens the immune system. The rice provides carbohydrate that fuel the body, giving enough energy for daily activities. Together, they make a nutritious and filling dinner. Milk is a nutritious drink that is rich in calcium, protein, and vitamins. It helps strengthen bones and teeth, support muscle repair, and provides a calming effects that can help improve sleep. Drinking milk before bed also helps the body recover and stay nourished overnight, making it a healthy choice to end the day. And that is all. Thank you for watching my blog.